Hello everybody, my name is Guido, I'm from Verona, from Italy, and I just finished the course with Nemofab. It was a great experience. I would strongly recommend everybody interested to take part in such a beautiful experience. Thank you.
Hello, this is Dr. Ayman Othman. I am oral and maxillofacial surgery consultant in King Saud Medical City at Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. It was my pleasure really to join this very great, informative, hands-on workshop with Nemotec. It was a really great experience, and many thanks and regards for the whole staff in arranging and managing and representing and helping all the doctors joining the workshop. And we love you, Nemotec. Thank you so much.
Soy la doctora Elsa Juárez y vengo de México. Soy ortodoncista y bueno, yo vine aquí precisamente para tener una mejor comunicación, una mejor planeación de mis casos de ortognática. Y bueno, ese es un antes y después. Realmente me voy muy diferente, con una visión distinta y sobre todo muy satisfecha porque realmente este curso Hands-On hace, como les dije, un antes y después. Mis planeaciones van a ser diferentes y pues sí, la atención y la comunicación por parte del equipo y los ponentes realmente fueron fantásticos. Ya Nemotec lo tengo todo completo y con esto era la cereza del pastel que faltaba.
Hello, I'm Faustiliano, I come from Naples. This is my second time to the hands-up course of Nemotec. And I'm one of the first users. I bought it more than 10 years ago. I always believe in it, and I believe in software. This is amazing software, very friendly software, and very, very precise for that kind of surgery. And also for other fields like implants, smile, design, and orthodontia. So I suggest it very hard.
Hi, it's Cem from Turkey. It was my first visit to Madrid. It was my first training with Nemofab. It was a great experience. It was easy to follow through. I would suggest everyone.
Hello, my name is Dr. Svetlana Koval. I practice orthodontics in Boca Raton, Florida. And I'm here for the Nemofab course, mastering the surgical planning for orthodontic cases and combining it with orthodontia. I'm very happy with the experience. It was 2 days full immersion into the workflow and a lot of contact with the engineers and knowing all the details about how to manipulate the software and going into really tiny details and clues on how to get the really good result of what we're doing.
Mi nombre es Gabriel Durán, cirujano oral y maxilofacial de Colombia. Ha sido una experiencia maravillosa poder asistir a este primer hands-on en planificación virtual con el software de Nemofab, en el cual hemos desarrollado técnicamente cada punto que es muy provechoso para nosotros los cirujanos para poder realizar nuestros tratamientos de forma segura, de forma estable y sobre todo agradecer a todo el equipo por tan enorme esfuerzo.
Hello and greetings. I'm Dr. Cem from Istanbul. I'm an orthodontist attending the hands-on course of Nemofab. I've been a dedicated user for more than 1 year, and I've used it pretty much every day. But still, I've learned so much in this course. Even if you are a beginner, you will learn a lot. If you are advanced, you'll still learn a lot in this course. I definitely recommend every user or any prospect user of Nemofab to attend this course with no doubt or no question. Just come here and try to learn.